Hey everyone, welcome back to this brand new video. This video is going to be on the base project setup for using this binary tree visualizer library. The benefit of using this for learning about binary tree is that you don't have to follow some convoluted method for visualizing how your binary tree is. And if you have written some algorithm related to binary trees, validating it is really simple. So without any further delays, let's get started. First of all, you're going to need Node.js and NPM for this setup. And you don't need to know anything about Node.js, it is just required for the setup to work. If you're working with React, Angular or Vue, you will be familiar with this requirement. Now we're going to use a bundler for this setup. What a bundler does in its simplest form is that it bundles up all your JavaScript files along with any third-party dependencies into a single file that can be used in your browser. You just need to tell your bundler what your entry point is, which is the point at which the code starts execution. And that is all that you need to know about bundlers in this video. Do let me know if you want to learn more about bundlers. Anyways, the bundler that we are using is Webpack. And actually, you don't need to manually create the setup. I already have the setup ready. All you need to do is go to the description, find the link called Start Point, and then either clone the repository if you know how to do it and check out the start branch, or just go to the start branch like so, and download it as zip. Then you can unzip it and open it up in your favorite editor. Once you have done that, you will want to open up a terminal in its root directory for this setup. And assuming that you have Node.js and npm installed, just run npm install. This will install all the required dependencies. Once that is done, you will need to run npm install binary tree visualizer. Or you can go to the npm package link for this binary tree visualizer, copy this and paste it here and hit enter. This will install the binary tree visualizer library, which we are going to, visualize our binary trees with. Now let us walk a little through our setup. You can see that we have an index.html file inside the public folder here. This index.html file is what is ultimately used, and you can see that we have this canvas element here. This is where we are going to draw the binary tree. And the only other place that you need to worry about is this index.js file inside the src folder. This is the entry point for Webpack, and this is where the execution starts from. To quickly check if it is working or not, we need to go to the terminal once again and run this. npm run dev. This will start up a dev server and open up a new tab. Once that is up and running, we can go to the index.js file and do something like this. Alert hello. And you can see that the alert pops up, so the setup is working as expected. And that is all about the base setup. If you want to go through the video documentation for the binary tree visualizer library, I will leave a link for that, and if you haven't watched that already, I would highly recommend you to. Otherwise, you can continue with the next video and visualize your tree in some default format. Depending on how much time you are willing to spend, you can choose either. And that is going to be it for this video. Even though there wasn't much in it, still hope you guys will stick around. Do subscribe in that case, and I can promise you a lot of good content is coming your way. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.